seagull. The seagull is a bird of the gull family that is found near coastal region. Its body is white, its wings are gray, and its beak is yellow. The seagull is omnivore and feeds on a variety of food, including fish, crustaceans, insects, and garbage. The seagull mate for life and build nests on the ground or cliffs. Seagull is known for its noisy and scavenging behavior. Seagull plays an important role in maintaining the balance of coastal ecosystem by controlling population of small animals. It is also a popular bird for wildlife watching and birding. Thank you.